Dear children, today in science we are going to study about the an important part of the plant, that is flower, and what is the function of the flower, and we are going to discuss about what are the different parts of a flower, and are all the flowers alike, and are they with the same color, and what are the different parts and functions of the flower. Okay, and in the previous classes we were discussed about the different other parts of the plant like root, stem, leaves, etc., and we have studied about the different duties of these parts in detail. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the flower, what are the different types of what are the different parts of a flower, and what are the different functions the flower do. Okay, so let's start with the a flower. I'll show you. This is a flower. So different plants are having different types of flowers. So this is the best method to recognize a flower. Okay, recognize a plant. From the flower we can recognize a plant. We don't want to see the flower, or we don't want to see the plant of this flower. So without seeing the plant, we can from the flower we can recognize easily the plant of this flower. Okay, and this is the an important part. So this is the main part of the plant, and this is responsible for a new plant. So we can get a fruit from a flower. So the fruits are responsible for a new plant. Okay, and now we discuss what are the different parts of a flower. So you can see different parts in this flower. So here I'll show you this parts in closely, and this part you can see some parts down to the flower. So this green in color. So let me cut and show you what are the different parts of this flower. These parts, the small green part of the plant, part of the flower. So this is called sepal of the flower. These are called sepal. So this is taken from this flower. So this is the sepal. So here the bud is closed or packed in the help of this sepal. So this is called sepal of the plant. Can you see it clearly? This is the sepal. So these sepals I separated from the flower. This is a part of the flower. So this will cover and keep the buds or the early stage of this flower safely. So that is the duty of this sepals. And next we see, so let me keep this here, and now you see this is the other part of the flower. We call this as the petals. Okay, so the 1, 2 here in this particular flower you can see this is a shoe flower. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. So let me pluck it one by one. This is the second petal, then third petal, then fourth one, and this is the fifth petal. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Okay children, so this is sepal, then petals. Okay, and these are the remaining parts of the plant. Here you can see a separate type of the part of the flower. This is also the center part. This is the center part of the flower. You can see a tube-like structure here. We call this as the stamen. This is a tube-like structure present inside the flower. This is called stamen. And here you can see within the stamen you can see again a tube-like structure. So in this plant I will show you, and see, you can see a tube-like structure in stamen with a small heads on it. So these are the small heads present on the on this pistil. So this is the tube like structure in the stamen. So we call that as the filament. These tubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These tubes, this tube like structure is called filament, and the head, this you can see some heads at the top of the filament. They are called anchor of the flower. This is the center part. So here center part consists of stamen. Stamen consists of a tube like structure called filament, and some heads are present at the end of each filament. They are called anchor. Okay, and you can see the down part again here. So here a thick part, you can see a green color thick part at the bottom of the this area. So this is green and thick in color, and we call this as the ovary of the flower. So this part is ovary, and if you cut ovary, you can see another part inside. So let me cut it and show you what are the different other parts present in the ovary. So there is another part inside this ovary. This is called ovules. So ovules are present inside the ovary. Okay. So these are the different part of the plant. Okay. So we studied main two parts, sepals, then these are petals, then inside at the center of the flower we can see a tube like structure, and we call this as the stamen. Each stamen consists of two parts, filament, and at the end of filament you can see a head like structure, and they are called anchor. And inside the or at the bottom of this stamen you can see a thick bud like structure, and this is very thick in nature, and it is called ovary. And if we cut this into pieces, you can see ovules present inside the ovary. Okay, and so these are the different parts of the plant. Okay, and okay, with this we conclude today's class. So in today's class we studied about different plants. So what you can do is you just pick some flowers, or you collect some flowers of different kinds, and you just take the or you just take the separate the sepals, petals from that, and inside that you can see this type of, and but some we can't say that all the flowers are having all these parts. Some of the flowers, some of the parts may be absent. Okay, so it is not compulsory that all the flowers should contain all the things, but most of the flowers are having all these parts. Okay, there are some flowers without having all these things. Okay, okay, that is all about flowers. Okay children, thank you very much.